Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Bhattar, a UI UX designer at Sports First. Thanks for tuning in. As a designer, I'm passionate about creating user-friendly experiences. Today, we are going to focus on setting or management screens. Settings or management page is a crucial yet often overlooked part of an app's design. It's the control center where users manage their accounts, privacy, notification, and other preferences. A well-designed setting page ensures user can customize their experience without feeling overwhelmed. Today, we'll explore how Strava, one of the leading sports and fitness app, structure its setting page and what we can learn from it to create better, more user-friendly designs. What is a setting or management page? The settings page allows users to personalize their app experience from account details and privacy controls to notification preferences and app integrations. This page needs to be intuitive, well organized, and easy to navigate. In Strava, the setting page provides first profile and account settings. User can update their profile details, change their email or password, and manage subscription preferences. Second, privacy and security settings. Strava allows users to control who can see their activities, manage blocked users, and adjust location sharing settings. Third, notification preferences. User can customize push, email, and in-app notifications to stay informed about activity updates, new followers, and workout insights. Fourth, connected app and devices. Strava integrates with wearables like Garmin, Apple Watch, and Fitbit, allowing users to sync their fitness data. Fifth, subscription and payment management. If a user has Strava Premium, they can manage billing, renewals, and plan changes from this section. What are the key features of a well-designed setting page? Let's break down some of the best design elements Strava implements in its setting page. First, organized categories and clear labels. Strava groups related setting together into clear sections like account privacy, notifications, and subscription. This ensures users don't get lost searching for an option. Second, simple and clean layout. The setting page follows a minimalist design, using white space effectively and avoiding clutter. Each setting option is listed in a readable, well-spaced format, making navigation easy. Third, quick access to important settings. Privacy settings are easily accessible, allowing users to adjust who can see their workout data. Strava highlights critical privacy controls and ensures users understand how their data is shared. Fourth, seamless device and app integration. Strava's setting page make it easy to connect third-party app and devices. Example, Garmin, Apple Health, etc. Improving the user experience. Fifth, dark mode and accessibility feature. Strava offers a dark mode setting, reducing eye strain for users. The page is optimized for screen readers, ensuring accessibility for all users. Sixth, effortless subscription management. Users can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel their Strava Premium subscription within the setting page. The billing details and renewal dates are clearly displayed to prevent confusion. 7. Clear call to action and help section. Strava includes helpful tool tips and FAQs in the setting page to guide users. If users need assistance, they can contact support or browse help articles directly from the page. How to design a better setting page? Strava sets a great example of how setting page should be structured. Here is what we can learn from it. First, keep it simple. How to design a better setting page? Strava sets a great example of how a setting page should be structured. Here is what we can learn from it. First, keep it simple. Second, prioritize key features. Third, offer personalization. Sixth, ensure mobile-friendly designs. Sixth, provide help and support. By following these principles, we can create a frictionless, intuitive setting page that enhances the user experience without overwhelming them. Why setting page matters in sports and fitness apps. The setting page might not be the most exciting part of an app, but it's one of the most essential. A poorly designed setting page leads to frustration, while a clear and intuitive design empowers users by giving them control over their experience. Strava's setting page is a perfect example of how to balance simplicity, usability, and personalization. It ensures users can customize their preferences, control their data, and integrate their devices, all without hassle. When designing a setting page, always prioritize clarity, accessibility, and ease of use. A great setting page means fewer user frustration and a smooth overall app experience. Thanks for tuning in. Let's stay connected for upcoming videos in the future. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. It's just one click away. And don't forget to share this with your friends, family, or anyone who loves sports technology, or leave us a review or a comment. See you next time. Thank you.